Hi guys, today I'm here to give you a look-see at my overgrown plants. It's still probably 3 weeks away from planting, but I have started taking some things outside during the day. Right here I have some bok choy that really should be outside in pots. I have my potato skins in my greenhouse. I've got 3 of them up here that have starts in them and roots. Right here I have I hope you can see all this. I have my huge, they're the large marigolds, and then I have my peppers, my hot peppers that are all different kinds. I also have some more peppers here, and they have already started putting on blossoms. Here's my parsley going nicely. Down here I have some cabbages, and over here are my lemon cucumbers that I really love to grow. I have some more here in the, oh, there's another one that's growing. I didn't even spot that guy. But down here, I open these guys up so they can start getting some leaves on them and whatnot. And as soon as those roots get thicker on the bottom, I will get them into a pot. So what I'm going to do now is, I am going to get ready to plant some potatoes, but I'll do that in a little while. I'm going to take you outside now, and I'm going to show you what I have going on outside. As anyone who has watched my videos know, I planted tomatoes, and my husband and I have made a kind of greenhouse. What we're doing is, so long as the weather's nice, we're putting them out here, and when it gets cool at night, we're bringing them in the house. They are just lovely. They're all blooming already, and surprise of all surprises, these are summer squash, the yellow ones, and they are just gorgeous. There's 2 of them in here, and they really need to get out of these pots. But this one really needs to get out of the pot because it has 3 zucchinis on it already. It's just incredible. All right, I'm going to move you down now into the yard. As you can see, the grass hasn't even turned green yet here. Now this is our southern exposure, and as you can see, I have a whole bunch of pots I washed out yesterday. I cleaned up my gardens here, put out my racking for my potatoes, straightened up my these gardens, and over here the blueberries are starting to actually get on buds. So something's growing at least. I'm going to try to go slow here. And over here I had to pot up some bok choy. So I put them out here, and as you can see, the 2 in the back there, I asked my husband to make sure he opened this up really good this morning, and he failed to do that. So I have 2 of them that are just kind of moping in the back, but they did that yesterday too, and they came back fine. I just don't want them to go to seed. What I had to do is I made this what do you call these things here, whatever they are, and what I had to do was put black covering over it to keep them from burning up. That's how hot it is inside this polytunnel. That's what it is. It's a polytunnel. So anyway, I also yesterday cleaned up all these pots and I got all of them ready for planting, because this is where I'll be putting cabbages and things like that all along there. Now over here I have plants that I'm trying to harden off. I've got some cabbages. I've got 2 pots of cabbages here. I've got just plain lettuce, but I got some head lettuce that I really need to get out of these pots because they're just too tight in there. Here I have those plants that I talked about that had those funny faces, look at the night. They are looking beautiful within a couple days. I fed them the other day. I have to get my beets into the ground and either put covers on them or do something, but the nights go between 46. Last night they were 50, but it all depends on what happens during the day, if you get my drift. So the skies are fairly clear, but there's stuff going on, and when that happens, we eventually get high winds, or we get nasty clouds, or whatever happens. But I just wanted to give you a little peek, a little look-see at what's going on here at the Sourdough Homestead in the trailer park. That's it for now, folks. I hope you like my little walk through here. Hope you'll give me a check, a like, a subscription, and all that good stuff. And don't forget to ring that bell. I really appreciate your comments, so don't be afraid to give me a comment. And I want to say, I have someone who, no matter what I put up, I don't know if he's trolling me or what, always gives me a thumbs down, no matter what I do. I can't help this person. I would appreciate it if you are bold enough to continue to put down a thumbs down, then be a person that is worthy enough to put a comment and tell me what your problem is with my content. But to all my subscribers who like my content and the things that I do, I love y'all. Take care now. Bye-bye.